uKelvin Moagi obeneminyaka engama-28 ungcwatshwe eTzaneen eLimpopo. Umndeni wakhe uthi ulahlekelwe kakhulu.
Now I feel lost and hopeless, and mostly because he was our breadwinner. He also wanted to come home to see my child as he is uncle. Unfortunately, he did not get the opportunity to meet him.
Owengamele ezokuhlaliswa kwabantu nokubusa ngokubambisana eLimpopo uthi bewumnyango badumele kakhulu njengoba lesi sifundazwe silahlekelwe amasosha ayisishiyagalombili adabuka eLimpopo.
We are here to stand with you as you mourn the loss of your beloved son, Moagi, who served bravery in the South African National Defence Force. In this moment of sorrow, we want you to know that the entire province share in your grief.
Kusenjalo ubekwe endlini yakhe yokugcina eThaba Nchu eFree State usayitsheni uMolahlehi Molahlehi. uMolahlehi naye ungelinye lamasotsha adutshulwe abulawa eDRC ohambweni lokuyogcina ukuthula.
Today we are gathered here with heavy hearts to pay tribute to an extraordinary individual, Staff Sergeant Molahlehi Ismail Molahlehi.
uMolahlehi ubengelona nje isosha elinesibindi kodwa ube nentshisekelo enkulu ngemfundo. Izingane zakhe zithi zizohamba ezinyathelweni zikayise.
One of his greatest lessons to me was the importance of education. He always encouraged me to stay in school, to learn and to equip myself with knowledge. To this day, I continue to honor his words by pursuing my education just as he wished.
uMolahlehi uhlonishwe ngomncwabo ongaphansi kahulumeni wesifundazwe.